Halftone design is everywhere right now. Today, I will show you how to create a halftone text shading effect, so your typography gets that bold retro pop. Hey, I'm MengChi, a creative designer at MengDesign. I used to struggle with visual expression, and my design didn't always look the way I imagined. That's why I started this channel, to share what I've learned and discovered, so you can design with confidence. And here's a cool part for this video. The halftone effect we are making in Figma isn't just black and white. You'll learn one simple trick to make it fully color changeable. To make it easy to follow along, grab the starter file link below. Everything is set up so you can learn by doing. Let's jump in. We'll start with the design from the link right here. It's already clean, but we are going to make the background text feel more alive. Grab the text layer from the starter file. Change the fill to white and add a color stroke, 5 pixels outside. Use Command-Option-O to outline the text. Then flatten both layers separately. Rename the layer to Fill and Stroke. Duplicate the fill layer, set it to a vertical black and white gradient, and go to Draw Mode, select Offset Vector, -5 pixels. That's the foundation of our shading. Now we want the dotted texture, but before using the plugin, let's flip the gradient direction first. You'll see why in a second. Then copy this layer as a PNG and open the Halftones plugin. Adjust the size around 80% works great. It's now applied as an image fill, so we can close the plugin. Quick question, how are you using Halftone in your project right now? Do you like to go bold or keep it subtle? Let me know in a comment. Back to the tutorial. Right now, it's Halftone, but the direction is off. Let's fix that next, and also make it color changeable. Duplicate the halftone layer, remove all fields, and add a solid color on top. Select both, then right-click, use as a mask. Select mask type to luminous. And there you go. Now your halftone texture is not only in the right direction, but also respond to any color instantly. Bring your mask group back into the text element. Select the gradient layer, and then use Command-Option-Shift-V to paste and replace. Group everything and hide the white fill layer. Now position it back to the design. Your text now has clean retro halftone shading. And that's it, your halftone text shading effect done in minutes. If this gives you a new creative spark, hit like, share it, and subscribe for more to come. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you will like my other halftone tutorial, one for portrait and one for background. Make sure to check that out if you are interested in building a solid retro design toolkit. I'm MengChi, see you there.